Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we got a highly anticipated camera comparison between two smartphone giants, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra. These are the cream of the crop in the world of mobile photography, and we're going to explore their capabilities in depth. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's give you an overview of their camera features. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes packed with some exciting improvements. Apple has doubled the photo resolution, enhanced night and portrait modes, and significantly improved its optical zoom from 3x to 5x. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra is a formidable rival, offering both a 3x and a 10x optical zoom lens. It has a reputation for taking more flattering photos and offering innovative camera modes. We start our comparison with the front cameras. The iPhone shines with its newfound focus on skin tones, making you look just right. Samsung's shots may look decent in isolation but are outshone when compared side by side. However, if you're into vlogging, the iPhone takes the lead in terms of video quality. It offers better dynamic range and resists grain better in low light. One of the highlights of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its zoom capabilities. It's the first iPhone that's actually a contender for shooting the moon or capturing a concert. Both phones have different approaches to zoom. At times, Samsung outperforms between 3x and 5x, but as you hit 5x, the iPhone takes the lead. In video, the iPhone wins at every magnification. This makes it a strong choice for capturing zoomed-in video content, thanks to its wider aperture. Next up, camera apps. Samsung's camera app has a reputation for being fun, offering various features like food mode and single take. However, it's starting to feel a bit dated and can be clunky. On the other hand, the iPhone's camera app is user-friendly but slightly limited in terms of creative options. It introduces the new action button, but it may not be significantly faster than Samsung's double tap and capture method. Audio is a crucial factor when it comes to video recording. In a quiet environment, both phones perform well, but as background noise increases, they differ. The iPhone retains more background noise but maintains natural richness in voice quality. Samsung, on the other hand, reduces background noise but loses some lower tones in the process. Portrait mode is a favorite for many photographers. The iPhone introduces some perks like the ability to apply portrait mode after taking the shot. Additionally, it captures portraits in 24 megapixels, offering higher resolution. Samsung's 12 megapixel portraits may be stylistically preferred by some, but the higher resolution of the iPhone's portraits is hard to ignore. Both phones offer special features like cinematic mode, slow-mo, and macro mode. Cinematic mode on the Samsung has come a long way, but is still overshadowed by Apple's cinematic video capabilities. Slow-mo is improving on both phones, with Samsung having a slight edge due to 960 FPS super slow-mo. In the macro mode, both phones are equally capable but offer different styles. Video quality, once an iPhone stronghold, has become a competitive arena with the Samsung S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra now excels in video HDR, often outperforming the iPhone in retaining details and dynamic range in specific situations. However, the iPhone still maintains an advantage in terms of detail, making it the top choice for video enthusiasts. So there you have it. A comprehensive comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra's camera capabilities. Both phones have their strengths and weaknesses. The iPhone excels in video quality, while Samsung offers a more feature-rich camera app. Remember that choosing the right phone for your photography needs depends on your preferences and priorities. Whether you prioritize zoom capabilities, video quality, or user-friendly camera apps, there's no shortage of amazing options from these two flagship smartphones. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.